everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the stand with your Insignia Fire TV. Specifically, this is the F20 series TV. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get this thing set up. So in the box, you'll be able to find your 4 screws for the stand installation as well as the 2 feet for the TV. They're identical to each other, so it doesn't matter which one's left, which one's right, or which side's forward or backward. You'll also need to grab a Phillips head screwdriver to be able to attach everything together. So first up, what you'll do is turn the TV over. You can go ahead and you can add your legs in. So again, doesn't matter which side or way, just line it up and gently press in place. So there we go. We have the first leg in. Now you can take 2 of those screws, drop them in place, and tighten everything down. So there we go. The first leg is installed nice and snug. Repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Line it up, gently press it in place, and take your 2 remaining screws, drop them in, and tighten them down. There we go. Both legs are now installed. We can stand the TV upright, and there we go. It's just that simple. If you need to, for whatever reason, remove the legs, just reverse that process. You'll want to go ahead, grab your screwdriver, loosen those 4 screws, and then just gently pull the legs off.